Hi guys, thanks so much for tuning into our video. I hope you learned something, and Channing's super funny, so enjoy.
Hi guys, my name is Channing, and today my mom is gonna be doing my hair today, and these are the things that she needs to my hair.
And so what are we doing to your hair today?
Today what are we doing, Mommy?
2-strand twists.
2 strands twist. And I don't know what that means, but we're gonna do it and find out. Let's get started with this thing.
Here she has.
And even it's more to straighten my hair. And I've been waiting for years to get a dog, and I've been waiting years to get my hair straightened, but my dad says no, and my mom says, keep saying no every day. I can't get your hair straightened. No, you can't get your hair straightened. No, you can't get your hair straightened. And that's Mommy holding the phone to do the video. And let's get down with my hair and see how it looks, and let's find out what my hair is gonna look. Bye.
This one makes the hair soft and moisturized, and this one holds the twist. It kind of gives it some firmness.
Mommy, they can't see your face.
Okay. This one holds the, stop please.
Okay.
This one holds the twist. It like gives it some firmness, so it makes it last a lot longer.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know. I turned on the TV. And
Okay, I need you to behave, okay? Can you behave?
yeah.
So anyway, usually this style for Channing usually lasts about 3 weeks. Usually 2 weeks with the twist in, and then 1 week, the third week, I usually undo the twist and let her just wear it like that, which is usually like kind of curly.
Let me tell them some questions. And sometimes my braid's bigger. She's not the best.
Okay, anyway, but the reason why I choose to do the 2-strand twist, they're a lot healthier. It doesn't pull on the hair, and yeah, it really helps her hair to grow. So I just think 2-strand twists compared to braids are just a lot better because it's just healthier for the hair, and it doesn't pull on the hair.
I scared you guys.
And yeah, you can put it in like ponytails and different little stuff also. So but we're gonna go ahead and get started because somebody's just not behaving. So as you guys can see, Channing has very thick hair. Turn around so they can see it.
I don't want to scare my fans, but I'm gonna.
Yeah, she has like crazy thick hair. So just doing this
Mommy,
hair every single day for school.
The video can't see it.
Doing this hair every day for school like really just takes too much time, and she's way too opinionated on how she wants her hair every day, so I have to do this.
Okay, Mommy, let me tell you something. So my fans today do you like my nails? Because
okay, we're not talking
done.
about nails right now. I'm trying to do your hair.
Okay, but can you unpause it?
No.
Why?
I have to show them one thing that I'm about to do, and please get out of your nose.
I'm just
all right, so what I'm gonna do, usually I do 2-strand twists like all over, but today what I'm gonna do is like do some flat twists up front and then do individual twists in the back. So when I get ready to part it for the flat twist, see right here.
Okay, can I
stop? See right here at the peak of her ear, that's where I'm gonna do my part. So
guys, do you like
I'm gonna take 2 strands. That was rude.
What?
Alright, and as you guys can see, like once it dries, it kind of like swells a little bit. So I'm probably going to make this into 2 because I don't really want the twist this big, because when they're this size, they kind of don't last that long. They get frizzy fast. So like this one, I am splitting it up into 2. So I'm gonna take about that much, and I usually like to use a clip when I'm doing this section just because it just makes it easier to go by. So turn around. So this is about how big I'm gonna do them.
Your necklace on your ring.
Put the cream, and I don't know if you guys can see, but like her ends are just kind of dry right now. I mean, I just trimmed her hair, but I don't know. The ends are just dry.